In 2 months from now, if you're an authorized representative of a nation or society, then you'll be granted an opportunity to speak.
So little in hand, and 2 long months to survive.
And now, I invite the wandering Hindu monk from India, Swami Vivekananda.
Sisters and brothers of America, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome given to us. I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of monks in the world. I thank you in the name of the mother of religions. And I thank you in the name of millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects. My thanks also to some of the speakers from the stage who, referring to the delegates from the Orient, have told you that these men from far-off nations may well claim the honor of bearing to different lands the idea of toleration. I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world both toleration and acceptance. We believe not only in universal tolerance, but we also accept all religions as true. I am proud to belong to a nation which has sheltered the persecuted and the refugees of all religions and nations of the earth. I am proud to tell you that we have gathered in our bosom the purest remnant of Israelites who came to southern India and took refuge with us in the very year in which their holy temple was shattered to pieces by Roman tyranny. I am proud to belong to the religion which has sheltered and is still fostering the remnants of the grand Zoroastrian nation. I will quote to you, brethren, a few lines from a hymn which I remember to have repeated from my earliest boyhood, which is every day repeated by millions of human beings.
यथा नद्यः स्यन्दमाना समुद्रे स्थं गच्छन्ति नामरूपा विहाय.
As different streams having their sources in different places, all mingle their water in the sea. So, O Lord, different paths which men take due to different tendencies, various though they appear, crooked or straight, all lead to thee. The present convention, which is one of the most august assemblies ever held, is in itself a vindication, a declaration to the world of the wonderful doctrine preached in the Gita. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja. Whomsoever comes to me in whatsoever form, I reach him. All men are struggling through different paths, which in the end lead to me. Sectarianism, bigotry, and its horrible descendant, fanaticism, have long possessed this beautiful earth. They have filled this earth with violence, drenched it often and often with human blood, destroyed civilizations, and sent whole nations to despair. Had it not been for those horrible demons, human society would be far more advanced than it is now. But their time has come, and I fervently hope that the bell that tolled this morning in the honor of this convention may be the death knell of all fanaticism, of all persecutions with the sword or with a pen, and of all uncharitable feelings between persons, wending their way to the same goal.
स्वामी जी, सुना है आप बहुत बड़े विद्वान हैं, चाहे तो आराम से खा कमा सकते हैं, फिर आपके हाथ में ये भिक्षा पात्र किस लिए?
आप राजा हैं, अपना राजकाज भूलकर अंग्रेजों के साथ शिकार और तफरी में अपना समय क्यों नष्ट करते? केवल आनंद के लिए ही ना?
आपके ऋषि मुनि भी अपना सारा जीवन व्यर्थ करते हैं पूजा पाठ और ध्यान में, केवल अपने आनंद के लिए ना?
किंतु एक जानवर भी दूसरे जानवर को बिना प्रयोजन नहीं मारता। फिर आप क्यों मारते हैं उन्हें? मुझे यह अर्थहीन लगता है।
अर्थहीन? हमें मूर्ति पूजा अर्थहीन लगती है। ये लोहे के टुकड़े, ये पत्थर, ये लकड़ी, ये मिट्टी के लौंदे को भगवान मानकर इन्हें पूजना हमें समझ में नहीं आता। दिस इज नॉनसेंस। क्या है ये?
ये तस्वीर किसकी है?
हमारे पिताजी की।
क्या तुम इस पर थूक सकते हो?
हमारे पिताजी पे?
ये पिताजी कहाँ है? ये तो उनकी तस्वीर है, सिर्फ एक कागज का टुकड़ा, रक्त और मांस का पिंड नहीं। फिर भी तुम्हें इस तस्वीर में अपने पिताजी के दर्शन होते हैं कि नहीं?
होते हैं।
महाराज मंगल सिंह जी, इसी तरह एक भक्त कोई धातु, लकड़ी, मट्टी या पत्थर के टुकड़े को नहीं पूछता, उसमें उसे अपने भगवान के दर्शन होते हैं। विश्वास अंधा है, अनुभव ही सत्य है।
विश्वास अंधा है, अनुभव ही सत्य है। स्वामी जी, आपने मेरी आंखें खोल दी, मेरी आंखें खोल दी आपने स्वामी जी।
His Most Holiness Sri Paramahamsa Yatiraja, Digvijay Kolahala, Parama Yogeshwara, Srimad Bhagwan, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa Karakamala Sanjata, Rajadiraja Sevita, Sri Vivekananda Swami, may it please your holiness, we the